Are you tired of the constant discomfort and visible signs of varicose veins, spider veins, or chronically swollen legs? These issues can significantly impact your daily life, from limiting your clothing choices to causing persistent pain and fatigue. Imagine regaining your comfort and confidence with a natural, effective solution. Introducing Varicorin, groundbreaking supplement designed to address venous problems comprehensively. It's time to achieve beautiful, healthy legs and a renewed sense of well-being. Varicorin stands out for its carefully developed formula, offering holistic vein support rather than just a temporary solution. It's packed with powerful natural ingredients designed to combat heavy legs and swelling. Key ingredients include Venocin standardized chestnut seed extract, clinically proven to reduce swelling, pain, and inflammation in conditions like varicose veins. Centellin natural Asian pennywort extract enhances venous circulation and alleviates the heavy legs sensation. The formula also includes vitamin C from buckwheat extract for healthy collagen and vein integrity, hesperidin for its supportive role in varicose and spider veins, common grapevine as an antioxidant for circulatory health, and witch hazel to promote circulation and strengthen blood vessel walls while reducing inflammation. Varicorin's effectiveness is backed by clear scientific evidence. Clinical studies confirm that its natural ingredients significantly enhance the appearance of your legs and the health of your blood vessels. Varicorin provides powerful support for conditions like varicose veins, leg swelling, spider veins, hemorrhoids, and the persistent feeling of heavy legs. Thousands of satisfied Varicorin users have experienced remarkable improvements. For example, Ava, 52, regained the confidence to wear skirts after years of struggling with varicose veins, while Anne, 48, noticed significant relief from heavy legs and reduced broken vessels within just 5 weeks. Victoria, 34, saw noticeable effects in preventing varicose veins early on due to her family history. A recent survey confirms these positive experiences, showing over 90% customer satisfaction and an impressive 96% of users recommending Varicorin to friends. Varicorin is a unique and natural supplement designed to safely and effectively support vein health, acting as an excellent remedy for varicose veins. To use, simply take 2 capsules daily, 30 minutes before a meal, with water. Varicorin is completely safe with no reported side effects, and each package contains 60 capsules, a month's supply. What sets Varicorin apart is its rich and unparalleled composition, featuring a powerful blend of highly effective ingredients not found together in other vein support supplements.